Hi guys, this is CCTV camera from TP-Link Tapo C200, and in this video we will show you and unbox this camera. Let's take a look at its packaging box. So we can see here there are a lot of features available for this camera. Without further ado, let's unbox this box. Let's get this box open. Okay, let's take this out and see at the bottom of the box. So this is the drill hole guide measurement. This will help you to drill hole with correct measurement. And this is the paperwork. So the mounting instruction is here, and then here the camera, the Tapo C200. Let's take this out. Look nice, dome design. So this is at the bottom. So look at this power adapter, ordinary power adapter. This is the mounting plate for the camera. Okay, the screw. Let's test this camera, shall we? Okay, this is Tapo C200. Plug the adapter and connect to the camera, and let's see what will happen when we turn on the camera. Okay, first off, the IR LED turns on alongside with the on off LED or the guide LED. Up to 128GB of micro SD storage supported by this camera. This camera takes a long time to boot. While we waiting for the camera to boot, let's download the app to control the camera. Okay, we take the link from this QR code. Okay, the camera is rotating, maybe to calibrate itself since it's the first boot. Let's see what's the Wi-Fi signal we have here. So we open the Wi-Fi, and now that's it. We have new Wi-Fi, which is Tapo Cam 2311. Before that, we have to download the app first, Tapo app, and then we can use to control the camera. This is the app, TP-Link Tapo. Okay, the apps is downloaded, so we can continue to the apps registration. So this is Tapo app, so we choose our camera C200, click next, and okay, we need to connect to the camera Wi-Fi, which is Tapo Cam. Okay, let's get back to the app, and now the app will pairing with the camera. Okay, it's found the camera. Okay, it's searching for surrounding Wi-Fi signal. Alright, we choose your own Wi-Fi. Okay, now it's connecting to the Wi-Fi, your own Wi-Fi. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, it's easy. So now we can change the camera name, so we can set the camera location, and now the configuration is complete. Yes. Okay, here now we can see our camera. We can control up and down, left and right, since it have 360-degree tilt, which is nice and great for the camera that's very cheap and reasonable price. So we can move like that. Okay, here we can see this camera setting. It has a lot of feature, but now I don't put any micro SD card yet. So here the front setting, pinball image, LED, my file name, the about. So far, very packed with feature this camera. Okay, that's in the micro SD card slot. Okay, now I will put the micro SD card into the camera so we can see what happened after that. Okay, first thing first is initializing the micro SD card, and now it will formatting the SD card that we inserted to the camera. Okay, format successful. So this camera will loop the recording until it's full, and we don't have to delete it manually. Okay, it have motion detection. We can resize the place of motion detection, recording schedule, so we can make a schedule when we want to recording, privacy mode, so we can make the camera to turn off the recording function for a while if we want to. And that's it for the camera. Very good.
One.